Hey guys, before we get into the video, I just wanted to quickly bring attention to my new Twitch page that I have started, which I'll have linked down below, Big Money GTV, that's my gaming nickname there. I recently just started this up since I now have a gaming slash streaming PC, and since I'm now living in the city and at school I don't really have enough time to go out and fly, so I have been streaming my gameplay. So if you guys want to help support the channel, I'd really appreciate if you went over there and followed, and feel free to ask any quad related questions. And yeah, hope to see you there so we can hang out. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing another line of sight flight, and this one will be with my 2020 racing setup. And I've done a few videos on this in terms of I've done a frame review and I did the full build video, but I don't actually have any flight videos of this yet. This setup, I have been racing it a few times back before the pandemic started, and then as usual, things with school and university got in the way, so here we are. I just built a couple of these guys fresh up, so when racing does start again, I'll be good for that, and I thought I might as well film a line of sight video while I'm at home here. So let me just go over the setup quick. We're using the 533 switchback frame, the iFlight Sing 2207 1900 kV motors. I'm using the Gemfan 5146.6 Minchan props here. Got some Racewire Mini. The iFlight Sussex 40 amp 6S 4-in-1. We have a Tiny LED Unity Flake controller with a TBS Crossfire Nano and a TBS Unify Nano, as well as a TBS Stubby in the back here, and a little bit of Grip Light on the bottom. And one other special thing, sort of, that we'll be testing today is the new Tattu R-Line 1000 mAh 6S version 3 Pro 120C. I don't know if these are any different than the original ones, but this is only a 176 gram battery, so it is extremely light. Be very good for line of sight. Will be interesting to see how long of flight time we get out of it. I don't know what they've changed for the Pro version between this and the 1350, but I think both of them are a pretty good change because this could be used for like ultralight builds or maybe even a 4-inch, and then the 1350 will probably be my go-to for just like all-out racing on a quad like this, where you really need full power through that 2 minutes of flight time. While 1000 milliamps hours is pretty small, since we're doing line of sight here, we should be okay for probably about 3 minutes of flight time, since you're punching a lot, but you're not consistently holding as high a throttle as when you're racing. Let's get that little battery on. Very light setup there. The quad itself is about 275 grams with prop. Everything you see here, this is about as heavy as you can build it, and the battery is 175. And of course, on the bottom, we have some tiny LEDs, 5-volt addressables. And since we are doing line of sight, I have the pink quad out with the pink prints and props. Let's go ahead and set the LEDs to about pink. A little bit hard to get exact colors, but there we go. And let's take it up. Wow, I'm not even going over half throttle yet. You can definitely tell that extra 40 grams from the battery that I've lost. Massive difference. Also, it's a brand new battery, so have to factor that in. Whoa! This thing is nuts. There's some geese. This thing is getting out of my sight so fast. I've never really used these Minchan props before. I never was a huge fan. I know they fly great, but I just prefer higher durability for racing. But now since I'm going with higher kV motors, these things just absolutely shine. The control is just insane. I've been testing these quads. I've been tuning them today before I have to leave SCV, and these things just fly so good. Like, there's just Betaflight 4.1 with RPM filtering, much better than previous Betaflights. And just having a nice light quad with high kV motors and a lightweight prop that it can really control really makes a difference as well. I think this thing is flying better than my line of sight quad. And it definitely is heavier, but this battery, oh my goodness. Obviously it is brand new, but I don't know if they changed anything in this pro chemistry, but I'm definitely not disappointed, that's for sure. Wow. I cannot wait until the virus is gone to start racing these quads. That is some performance right there. Wow. I don't know how much longer I should go in this battery. I'm afraid to kill it since it's brand new and it's probably going to hold power to the very end. But it's just so fun to fly it. I don't want to land. Like, it is still punching. You can hear from the RPMs. Like, oh, maybe? Yeah, there it starts to go. So we're just about killing it. So you'll probably land right now. Might be interesting to check the temperature. Got a bug on me. The battery is pretty warm. It's definitely probably going to get a little bit hotter as the heat radiates through. I mean, but for how we were going, that's not bad. Motors are barely warm. Wow, that is really good. I am really impressed with the new RPM filtering settings. And the tuning in 4.1 was I just literally moved a couple sliders. It got better, moved it a little bit more, and boom, there it was. It was good. It adjusts all the values. So much simpler in the newest beta flight. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it. Might as well shut the VTX and LEDs off through my pit switch right here. So I don't draw any extra battery. Might as well just unplug it. This thing's pretty low. There we go. That was a line of sight flight with my 2020 racing setup, testing the new R-Line Pro series with the 1000 milliamp 6S version. Very impressed so far. Can't say if it's any better. You know, batteries are kind of tricky to test, but definitely not disappointed. So there'll be links down in the description below to all of the parts, as well as the full build video that I did for this if you're interested in building one yourself. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.